Well, hello there, gentlemen, and welcome to Gentleman's Caddy. My friends call me Junior, and for those of you who are new to the channel, my day job happens to be in construction. Design build to be more precise. And anything that comes across my way that's both related to my day job and also my passion here for all things everyday carry, items and gear, well, that's just going to go ahead and tickle my fancy indeed. So what we have here is a product review more directed to the design and construction field. So let's say those that are architects, engineers, builders, contractors, drafters, fabricators, interior designers. So that's here as a niche product directed to those types of professions there. So in those professions, we're all very much aware of the standard architecture scale here. These 12-inch full-size single-piece plastic PVC material here, three-sided architecture scale. And they also make these here in an aluminium material, which makes them even heavier. And that's all well and fine, and we've been using these here, fellas, since time immemorial itself here. But if you're looking for something for more everyday carry friendly and on the go, on the job site, at the meeting there, I found these here fellas, these 3-inch mini architecture scales, Arch Carry. Now these here are double-sided here. So 2 sides, now obviously you lose the 3rd side from a full-size scale there, and the 2 scales that you're losing are 3/16 and 3/32 there. And I found that those 2 scales are very rarely used on drawings these days out in the field. So they're providing the more useful scale sizes here. Now this here is also a single piece of plastic PVC like the original there. The overall size here is 3.5 inches long by 2 inches wide here. And you have the 3-inch usable from marker to marker on the scale itself here. So about the same size as a standard credit card as it was designed to be, mainly used for your wallet here. So this works fantastic for everyday carry, and you're never without an architecture scale at your disposal here. So I keep these here fellas in my wallet, my portfolio, pocket, and my car, never without a scale these days. So in terms of the overall thickness, it is slightly less than that of a credit card. So whether that's designed to be that way or not, but I found that it's actually to its benefit here. It does deflect a little bit, can move it a little bit like this here, but considering it's slightly less than that of a credit card in thickness there, over time what you'll find there with a credit card, it will deflect and deform to your rear end, if you will, while you sit on the wallet there. And what I found over the last 6-month use here in my wallet is that this has not taken the shape of my rear end in the wallet there. So it sits nice and flat there on the drawing as you necessarily would want it to be. Now in terms of overall price, it's appropriately priced considering this is a very unique and niched product. It's very directed to certain professionals there out in the market there. Now considering this is such a very simple, direct product, it is, you know, a 3-inch scale here. You see everything here is what you get. And necessarily, sometimes the simplest products can sometimes have the largest change here. And I can tell you from my perspective, I no longer carry the large scales out with me to a meeting or to a job site. So I always have these small little fellows with me at all times. So that's really made a nice change in my individual everyday carry. So that's been fantastic. So overall, I really do have to say this has been a really large impact here for me anyway, because I no longer have to carry those scales around with me. So in my book, that's a real winner. 2600 BC. Since the first recorded architect, Imhotep, during the ancient Egyptian Empire, architects, engineers, interior designers, builders, fabricators, and drafters worldwide have suffered with pocket bulge, using the same large, cumbersome tools to read blueprints and drawings. That is until now. There is a better way. Introducing Arc Carry, the first 3-inch architecture scale designed for the wallet and the pocket. You no longer have to suffer with pocket bulge. It only took 4,600 years. One more thing. If you haven't already, please subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And make sure to smash that there like button. Smash it nice and hard, as it tells YouTube you like this here gentleman's work. Thanks for watching, Junior.